Okay, so I got this from Amazon. I'm just gonna jump right in. This is for 2023. I'm gonna start it in a couple of days. So that means that you guys can start this too. Because I think I'm gonna wait till January 10th maybe to start everything. So this is the $5,000 savings challenge. Or it could be a $10,000 savings challenge, or you could turn it into a like $20,000 savings challenge. It's completely up to you. Basically, I got this off of Amazon because I looked on Etsy, and all of the ones from Etsy are literally like $100 or more, or like $60, $70. So I'm just like, no, I'd prefer to find like, you know, something that's more affordable, since I'm trying to save money, not spend a lot of money. And saving challenge that. So yeah, if you just like this video, it actually pushes it out to other you know, potential viewers or subscribers, so that they might, you know, come across the channel as well and be able to take part in our journey. I'll leave a link down below. This one was only I think it was like $24 off of Amazon. And the ones, oh, also the ones on Etsy, they're like the half, and you have to actually like fold each bill, so it makes it like super stuffed. With this one, it's the perfect size, and also, yes, it does like lock closed. Yeah, okay. So this one can go this way, so you can put the money in this way, so that you don't have to fold each bill. It'll stay straight when you're doing the unstuffing. Nice, right? Okay, see where I'm going? Okay, so it's the brand. It's, I don't know if you could see, it's called the Millie Way, and she does have a TikTok. But I directly saw this from Amazon, so yeah, that's where I just got it from. There is no actual website. So yeah, so it comes with the 100 envelopes, and they're each all labeled. I got mine in the, it's called the it's called the rainbow style, and I do think they have like, I don't know if it's like silver or black or white or what, but this one is just the rainbow one. So these are all of the cards. It comes with a marker. So it's like a regular marker. It's not like a daughter. It's just like a regular type of a marker. Cool. And then it comes with a ton of sheets. So the first one is the $5,050 one. And each envelope, they have the numbers on them, and then that's just that one. The rest of them can be custom, so you can, like, you know, double it and make it like the 10,000. You know, you can double, triple, quadruple, whatever. So yeah, it comes with 4 more, so lots and lots of challenges for you to complete, or you can also make your own. And then what's good about these are, so you know the plastic ones, well, the laminated ones that you make, so those actually break over time. So I don't want to do that with like such a large amount of money. So I'm glad that they're paper. So that too, that's awesome. I hope you guys would like to start a challenge too. So if you do and you want to like follow along with mine, make sure you click the link down below. Please don't forget to like the video, and make sure you also subscribe so you can keep up to date and hit that post notification bell. So this is everything. I can't wait to get started with this. I think I'm going to come back in another video to go ahead and show everybody that I'm doing 1, 2, 3. I think I'm doing 4. No, 1, 2, 3. I think I'm doing, okay, so I think I'm doing 3 challenges at once. And then once I'm done, I'm going to be working on 2 more. So for the total of next year, I'm going to be working on 5 different challenges. So I'm saving for some pretty big things, some really kind of far-fetched type goals. But I'm going to get there. And if you have any goals, I'm sure you're going to get there too. We're going to work through it together. So yeah. Okay. So, all right. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.